Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am so excited to share with you some new accessories from the Cultivate What Matters team, and what they're doing I just think is phenomenal. So if you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad to have you. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any future content. And if you're returning, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here and thank you so much for your support. I cannot wait to share some of these with you today. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so for those of you who don't know, and I mention it every time because you may be new to PowerSheets, it is a goal planner. It is not your day planner. It is not a planner that you live out of. It is literally a planner to tell you what to do in your days to maximize your goals. It's unbelievable. I literally can't say enough good things about it. Every single time I do a video, I talk about how much I love it. I have linked it below if you want to see it. This was from the 12-month collection of 2019 that was released like October, November. But they do have 6-month undated, so you can start it, June 1st for that matter, and go through the end of the year, and then get your 2020 ones that'll be coming out sometime, October-ish. But they have just released some new accessories, and they were kind enough to send them over, and I want to share some of them with you. So just to give you an idea, I'm going to flip to, let's go to June, so you can see. Now they have 34 pages of prep work, and I haven't started June, but it is not a planner. So what you're doing in the month is not planning. You're kind of telling, you're giving yourself some idea of plans, but you're letting go of things. You're putting some goals down. It's just incredible. So as you work in this each month, this is not, you work out of it, then you take this lovely page right here, and this page comes in your planner. You can either, it's perforated so you can pull it out, or you can leave it in and leave it on your, desk every day. But they have created some accessories to kind of go hand in hand with it. Again, it's not a planner. So first they have sent me, and I'm going to open these. The first time I'm looking at these, so you're going to come right along with me. I'm rooting for you. I guess these are just like little inspo cards. And their thing is that flowers don't grow from, where do they grow from? They grow from dirt. They grow from the dirty thing. So when you're trying to grow something, you have to understand that it might be a little dirty at first. So these are celebration cards, so I'm rooting for you. So they obviously have a vegetable theme. Let us celebrate. You can't be beat. I love you from my head, tomatoes. That's cute. You're a peach. Peonies only grow through dirt, and so do we. That's cute. You're my main squeeze. Just little inspo card, little postcards to hand deliver to people. You're one in a melon. That's so cute. I like you very much. We make a perfect pair. I'm rooting for you. Let us celebrate. You can't be. Okay, so they're just now repeating. Little inspo card. So that is adorable. And if you like to send notes to people and kind of make their day, these are the best way to do it. So Cultivate. What I like about them is that, it's not a planner, but they have things that you would want in your life that you're like, oh my goodness. And these are some of the things you should always have around. I talked about leaving little inspo cards for people too. I have some Erin Condren ones here that I've been doing that with, but these would be great to do that with also. So that was one thing. They also sent this, which just looks like it doesn't have a magnet, but it just is a cute little checklist for you to, I don't know how many, list notepad. It doesn't say how many pages are in it, but it looks like a lot. I don't even know. It looks like a lot. So this could be used, you could just punch this into your planner, whatever you'd want to do, but it would definitely be, these are great for the fridge too. In fact, I almost feel like I want to put a magnet on that and put it on my fridge because I don't have one of those on my fridge, but I feel like my husband needs one of those on the fridge. Oh, okay. This I love. This is okay, gosh. I can't get it out, guys. It's something good. Okay, all right, phew. This is just a big memo notepad that rips off like this. And I love this. I absolutely love this. These are big pages. You can take notes of things, you can draw, you can doodle, it's just a blank sheet. They fit and you could punch them if you're using a Happy Planner. You could punch them into your Happy Planner. You could put them into, really, they're good size. I think, let's see. Okay. So here's my Erin Condren. It would be a little bit bigger fit in there. And just a hair too big for the for the classic size Happy Planner, but it could still work. So but what I love about it is there's lots of things that I need to jot down that I like to have a big piece of paper like this in front of me. This is a great example of super fun, super cute. Just rip it off at the top. Great for writing things down that you need to take notes on. I think this is just truly, I love this. This is great. I absolutely love it. So I can't get enough of them. I love it. That's just it. I just love it. All right, so that then, as I'm piling them here, you have Summer Road Trip. This is just a wild card pack. There's 12 sheets. This is just a little bit of the fun accessory type stuff that they release. And of course, this is supposed to go, a lot of, some of the people that use the Cultivate system don't have they use more technology. A lot of them do. A lot of them don't. A lot of people use the Emily Lay planners, which I've never used. But these are just little wild card pages that you can put into your planner and or whatever. There's a summer reading list, which I love. Summer bucket list that you can do. Daily water tracker. Daily water tracker. Daily water tracker. Friend favorites. That's so cute. Look at that. So these are like remember things about your friends. That's so cute. Neighborhood contact list. That's another great thing. Summer memories made. Like these are just a cute little summer back to school checklist. Like just really a fun summer pack that you could use during the summer if you're going on vacation. It is themed for summer. So once you get through the end of summer, it's kind of dated out. Obviously, neighborhood contact list you can't go wrong with. But that's nice because if you are going out of town and you're leaving someone in charge, you could leave them this, or you could have it with you in case you need to contact a neighbor to keep an eye on your house, whatever it might be. This is fun. I just love these. These are so cute. So they give you enough to like get you through all summer, and then that would be it. These would also be great gifts for people. So if you have moms that you're friends with, or even, non-moms and just people that you feel like could use this, these would be a great gift to hand out also. And I wonder why it says for personal use only. It's cute though. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. So these are just a sample of the accessories that they have released. Of course, again, their main focus is their goal planner, which is the Cultivate What Matters PowerSheets. I just can't say enough about them, but they have a bunch of other fun accessories. They have a finance budget accessory pack. They have a kid goal accessory pack, parenting. I mean, they just have a bunch of fun things. So go check them out if you haven't already. Great gift ideas, great things to insert into your planner. I love this. If you do have a big planner, this would definitely fit really well. But this is just great for your table, anything you need to take note of. Amazing. Love it. So cute. So yeah. All right, everyone. Well, I hope you enjoyed this brief view of some of the accessories that they just released from the Cultivate What Matters. I can't wait to see what else they're going to do this year. Again, I can't speak highly enough of the company and what they stand for and who they are. So leave me in the comments below. I would love to hear from you if you have PowerSheets, if you use PowerSheets, if you love them as much as I do. I cannot wait to hear from you all. All right, everyone. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.